All right, guys, this is Alex from Loki, and we're looking at the base camp. This is a very, very interesting, well-done take on a trailer camper kind of in the bed of a truck. Talk to me about the base camp, Alex.
Hi guys, so we're here today at Overland Expo East, October 2022. So this is our base camp, the first ever ICARUS series. This is the 8-footer. So it's a slide-in camper that's really made for the Canadian winters. It's R16 insulated.
R16.
Exactly.
Wow.
So, and for the cold nights, we also have a Webasto heating system.
Okay.
It's diesel powered, hooked up to the truck.
So you tap into the truck's fuel system.
Exactly.
Okay.
Or if you want to take the camper out, we also have an auxiliary tank that you can still, have your heating even if you're not on the truck. Also, this unit comes with an electric water heating system, electric floor heating system.
So like a hydronic floor system? Is it?
No,
is
it's
like fluid
12
based?
volt. It's 12 volt.
Okay.
Just hooked up to the Red Arc system, and then you push it on, and you have heated floors if you're, for the cold mornings and stuff like that.
And it's sealed, guys. Look at this. So there's weather sealing all around, and they've got these nice thick doors on here. Like when you're in there, you said Canadian winters, like you're not messing around. This is going to be...
This is a great ski rig, actually. You can go up the mountain and, bring your ski out, bring your snowboard out, and be the first one on top and slide down
That's
first thing
so
in the morning.
cool.
So yeah.
Let's hop up in there.
Awesome. So we're here in the interior right now. So what we have is our sliding bed system. This is actually a 54-inch by 75-inch bed that it comes all the way to here on top of the cabinets.
So for travel, you would lock it up in there.
Exactly, and it won't move at all. So you would roll up your sleeping bag, have your pillows back there, and then when you're ready to go to bed, slide it out, and then you hop in.
So then you've got this nice skylight. So can you get on the roof? Is that part of the design?
Right now, not really, because of this unit has solar panel all around.
Okay, so you've got nothing but solar up there.
Exactly.
Okay, very interesting.
This is more of an access if you have a toolie rack or stuff like that. You can grab into storage. But we do also have other models that are bigger that you can go on top and hang out and get your coffee there.
So you said you told me you were working on one that's a little bit taller than this. Okay.
Exactly.
So you're about 6 foot. Can you just stand up so I can get an idea of...
So I'm 6 foot, and this is when I get the camper for weekends. I'll, if I'm here and I want to do dishes, I'm a bit cramped. But next summer we would have an XL model, which would be like 12-inch taller on height, and we would have a full bed compared to the sliding bed that we have right now. So this is going to be 24-inch longer.
So longer and taller.
Exactly.
Okay, what trucks will that fit in? Just like all kinds of the Super Duties and that sort of stuff?
We recommend the Ford 250 base truck. This is sitting right now on an F350 just for show. Actually, we added some Fox suspension and also balloons on there, but right now we recommend the Ford 250. We also made a truck that was sitting on a 2500 from Dodge. Okay. And this is the 8-footer. We also do a smaller version. It's a 6.5-footer that you could fit in a Sierra, and I'm not sure about Tundra yet, but the Sierra fits well.
Okay, so you've got Arctic turn windows here with the bug shade or the bug screen, and
we have
the
the
thermal
bug screen, and the sunshades just like this. You can pull these out. The windows are like 4 little handles,
and then they just pop open.
They pop out, and they're great for soundproof also.
Those are double pane windows, guys. The Arctic turn stuff is super nice, and it's also good for insulation. Again, this thing is meant to be used in the cold, which is really, really cool. There's tons of insulation in here. And we'll come around to this side. Is this the sort of power control system up here?
Exactly. So you can see your diesel level right now from the tank that we have.
Is this is reading from the truck's thing, or is that an auxiliary tank?
This is the auxiliary tank.
So
either if you're plugged in here, you can see the level, or if you want to see the level of the truck, you just have to go in the truck and see
so it is separate.
Level. Exactly. So we have right here the Webasto system that's not really working right now because it's so beautiful outside.
It's beautiful today.
It is. We have a really nice weekend, and the Red Arc version here that we have all of our you know, fresh water, gray water, the battery level right now, and what comes in from the sun, and what charge rate
what you're bringing in, all that kind of stuff. So you monitor everything here. You've got your fuel level and the controller for the heat. They've also got an AC in this version, which is super cool. Another skylight back here, and the
max fan,
air fan. Is that the deluxe one that opens up, or is it just?
No, that one I think it's the manual.
The manual, okay.
But we also offered the option of having the deluxe one.
So you can see here we've got this like L tracks on the wall, so you can store all kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
Little seat there for when you get in, and that appears to be
this is the shower. Yeah, you can plug the shower head just right there,
and then you can hop out back, or
either take your shower outside, or either we have a foldable tub, which is made from material.
So you would stand about where I'm at and do a shower real
quick. With a hanging curtain that
you can see these hooks they've got in the ceiling here.
Yep.
All that kind of stuff. And what is this? Just storage over on this side?
This would be used as a regular pantry, I guess. Or this also on top would be for your pots and pans.
Okay.
Yeah, the door lowers down.
So it folds down this direction instead of like to the side or something. It's a much longer cabinet. And then you've got the lagoon table here.
Yeah.
What's underneath?
This is a shoe storage actually, or for anything else that we have, you know, doing camping or overlanding.
Okay.
It's pretty deep. The newer models that we make, this also is a full cabinet full of storage.
Okay.
Compared to just a shoe one.
And then we've got there's a fridge here, guys.
The little
all kinds of cabinetry, the isotherm there, and
isotherm with a freezer.
What's in this cabinet here?
This is a cassette toilet. Actually.
Oh, so your toilet's in here?
Yeah, toilet's there. It's a dry toilet, and then we have also an induction plate. Sorry,
that's okay
for cooking that you would place right here. So once again, you don't have vapors from having a regular stove or stuff like that.
Right.
Yeah, exactly. So everything's powered by solar panels on top. So you can check out your battery. You would get your cooking, do the dishes, standing up right here, and then slide out the bed, and you're ready to go snooze and
sure.
Yeah, exactly.
What kind of capacity? You said you've got water tank in here and electricity. Yes. What's your capacities on those?
We have actually right now a 15-gallon freshwater tank.
Okay.
With a 13-gallon gray tank.
Okay.
We don't have a black water one because of the cassette toilet.
Sure.
And everything is manageable from the inside.
Okay. So and how about power? What kind of power can you store?
Power, we have the solar panels on top are 300 watts.
300 watts. Wow, that's good. Yeah. That's impressive. Okay.
So all the panels go into 2-volt batteries that are 600 ampere per hour.
600 amp hours?
Exactly.
Okay. Alex was worried about his English today, guys. He was
sorry, guys.
Dude, like I wouldn't even.
I got surprised of it here.
Yeah,
but
that's
you know,
okay.
the 2-volt batteries work really well, and we have the options of just having one. Also, this unit has 2 batteries because of the AC. And yeah, so everything powers from the Red Arc. We have heating floor, the Webasto heating system for the winter. This guy has been running all weekend also, and we were starting out at 99% of batteries, and right now, as you saw in the video, we're just a bit under 90. So you know
that's 3 days.
3 days.
3 days.
3 days of fridge and full lighting.
Or 4. Did you get here on Thursday?
Oh no, we got here Friday.
Okay, so you got so 3 days.
3 days,
and it's not even 10%.
Exactly.
That's impressive. Where's the heating duct? You said there was heating. Where does it come out of?
Yeah, we have one right next to you, which is here. So
oh, I see. So it's tucked away over here. Okay.
Exactly. If you have a dry suit, or if you have boots you want to hang there on the mudroom that we call.
So I get it. I'm understanding the concept a little bit more.
So, you come
mudroom area.
So there's a heating dock over there. We have one right here for your feet that covers the whole unit.
Sure.
And also there's one under the cabinets, and there's one 2-inch tubing also that goes in the mechanics. In the plumbing on this side.
So it keeps everything warm and doesn't freeze.
So it doesn't freeze during winter.
Is that within the fiberglass shell?
No, it's on the inside of the shell, inside the camper.
Okay, yeah. I get you. And is the cab directly under this? Are we like this is the bed and this is the cab of the truck? Is that how that works?
Yeah, the cab is about from this place right here.
Okay.
This is actually a bit taller than what we're used to doing right now. The bed is supposed to be 3 inches lower.
Okay.
And under here we have all our electricity.
So everything's basically behind this wall.
Exactly. The inverters are over here. We have the power switches and the fuse boxes. Everything's hidden away. And if you need to access that really quickly, you have these screws that you need to take out, and then you access all your panels.
So that just pops out, and you can do whatever work you may
Mm-hmm.
need to do. Man, this is super cool. We're going to get some shots of the outside for you guys. This is really, really well thought out. Just a complete system. And again, the weather stripping. So they got a bug screen here, so you can keep out all the bugs, but they've also got this weather stripping around the outside to keep that heat in or keep the AC in. This is super cool, man. Alex, thank you.
It's a cool rig. You're very welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by.
So where do people find more about Loki and what you guys do?
You can find us online at lokibasecamp.com. We're all over social media also. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and if you have any question, you can fill out a survey on our website. There's lots of media coming out every week, and go check us out.
Okay, so I know, guys, we forgot the price. Alex, what does this cost if somebody wanted just like this?
So just like this unit is 89 USD. Starting price actually with less equipped stuff, without AC or just one battery, you would get a price range from $69,000 USD.
Okay, so 69, you get the base model, and then you can ramp it up. You can add the AC, all the fancy stuff, the Webasto, the electricity, all that.
Yeah.
And it's under 100,000 US dollars.
At 100,000. We also do a turnkey kind of stuff. You can bring us your truck, and we'll fit a camper to you, or we'll shop a truck for you. And
so somebody could say, "Hey, I want the whole thing," and you guys will buy the truck and all that and deliver it.
And exactly 2.5 months after, the build should be made, and then we get to you and we offer shipping or stuff like that, and you would get your camper.
Dude, this thing is unreal. It is super cool. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Thanks, guys.